dear viewers. Now today we are going to learn about the two-digit creation on the Abacus tool. Are you ready? Okay, so get the pencil, grab it, and how to hold the pencil like this to make the pinch, and how to hold the abacus like this. First make it in the clear state. Yes. Now first number we are making is number 11. Okay. So as you know, this is tens rod. Here in the tens rod, it will be 10 and 1 makes 11. So this is number 11. Clear? Next number is 32. So 30 in the tens rod and 2 in the ones rod. So it makes 32. Clear? Now we will make 52. So 50 in the tens rod and 2 in the ones rod. So this is 50 and 2, 52. Next we will make 99. So 90 in the tens rod and 9 in the ones rod. So it becomes 99. Right? So we have learned to make the numbers on the Abacus tool for the two-digit numbers. Now here's your turn. Let's write out some questions. Can you make number 41 for me? Come on, try it out. Correct. So it is 40 and this is 1. 41. Very good. Clear it out. Next, 36. Try. Very good. 30 and 6. 36. Correct answer. Clear. Now, 24. Try. Correct. 24. 24. Very good. Clear your abacus. Let's do something harder. Can you try 57? Good job. 50 and 7. 57. Hope you understand how to make two-digit number on your Abacus tool. So we will be there with the new concept in the next session.